Hey everyone, we have this Cosmos push chopper, so let's check it out. Its MRP is 359 rupees, but we got it from Amazon for just 249. I shared the link in the description box. It has this 900 ml transparent container. It is made up of BPA free plastic, and these are 4 stainless steel blades, and this is the manual hand presser. So just press the handle from the top, the blade spin, and everything gets finely chopped. It also has a lock button on the handle. Push it to lock and it takes less space. So you can chop onion, tomatoes, garlic, ginger, mushroom, cashew, almond, peanut, everything in it. Earlier I was using that pull string chopper now, and the string come out and it become completely waste of money. Anyways, coming back to this one, look how finely it chops onion. The blades are so sharp and steady, you can chop effortlessly. And this 900 ml size is also decent enough. Cleaning is super simple, just rinse with water. So this product is much better than pull style chopper. Definitely worth trying. Give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.